Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So Rob decided to take the 10-hour trip from Ohio with his family to get the audio upgraded on his bike. Rob and I had been talking back and forth for roughly a year. He had an audio upgrade on his bike that he wasn't happy with. So we initially put together a package for him and shipped it to him. He took it apart and then realized it was a little more than he was comfortable tackling. So he's like, you know what? I'm just gonna bring you the bike and have you do the install. So he was gonna do a partial upgrade, just a small upgrade. After he thought about it for a while, he decided to do a full build. Not only did he decide to do a full build, but he decided to do 2 sets of saddlebags. We actually do this pretty often where the customer will build a rider set of saddlebags with no woofers in the bags. That way they can have all their storage space to take trips with their family. And they'll opt to build a second set of bags for parking lot pimping. So that's exactly what we did here. He had 2 sets of bags, both painted to match the bike. So in the first set of bags, we did a set of Cicada 10-inch mid-base carbon fiber. We sealed, ported, fiberglass, reinforced the bags. And we did a lid cutting kit with a set of Cicada CMX 5 1/4. Then in the other set of bags, we did no woofer in the bag, but we did a set of Cicada MO75 horn tweeters, and we did a set of Cicada CMX 8-inch carbon fiber. In the fairing, we did a set of CM 6.5, and we did the full replacement grill with the tweeter, the MO75 tweeter by Cicada. For amplifiers, we ran FLX DSP 1400.4P amplifier by Cicada, and we ran a Sound Digital 3000.1. Obviously, we did a Doobie bass knob in the accessory panel location with a clip indicator, upgraded the battery to a Limitless Nano V3, and did NVS Audio RCA's NVS Audio AK4 amp wiring kit, all oxygen-free copper. Then the bike was RTA tuned. Came out really good. He's really happy with the way it sounds. We're really happy with the way it sounds. We actually played about an hour's worth of music, letting the speakers break in and really playing around with the bike. It sounded really, really good. I was really impressed with the way the bike came out. And with both sets of bags too. So with the rider setup, the bike doesn't play as loud, but it plays nice and even, has a good amount of mid bass. And then with the other set of bags, it plays a lot louder and the bass hits a lot harder. So he got the best of both worlds. Check out the build.
I got the wire already. Could be, maybe not all, but just can't play this today.
Sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone.
Floating in the air, and Neverland just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames that light the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they fly upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so low. I've been having tripping, I
Welcome to Atlanta, jacking hammers and bows. Back to the mackin' and jacking the clothes. Adolescents packing the phones.
A knock on the door.
Who is it?
I would happen to know the one with the flow.
Who did it?
It was me, I suppose.
JD in the rolls and looters in the cut supreme. Skating down old Nat, gat tucked and lean. I split your spleen, as a matter of fact, I split your team. No blood on the sneaks, gotta keep it so my kicks is clean. I get the cream, cops see me flick my beams. I'm allergic to doc prescribed antihistamines.
Oink, oink, pig, pig, do away with the pork. Only stillborn needs a steak knife and a fork.
Did you forget your fucking manners? I'm Bruce with banners. Ludacris, Johnny Rockets when I shoot the cannon. The woolly mount of saber-tooth, bitch, bite your tongue. I won't stop until I'm rich as them whites will come.
I pull up in a black Lotus, your plaques are bogus. So I stripped them off the wall, waiting for my cue to corner pocket 8-ball.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. Rob took the 10-hour trip from Ohio to get the audio done on his bike. It's the second time him doing the audio. He wanted it done right this time. Are you completely satisfied?
Oh, sounds amazing. Couldn't be happier.
Thank you, sir.